Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitt with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Today is day 4 of my Falloween Spooktacular 2023 series that I am co-hosting with my crafty BFF, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. I do apologize for not sharing a new project last week. However, if you've visited my channel, you will notice that I have posted 3 new videos. In today's video, I'm very excited to announce that I was invited by Sandy Nagel from Decorate Your Life to be a guest designer for her new fall collection called In Vogue. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a beautiful, elegant collection. I have already posted a detailed overview of this paper. I will include a link in the description box below. Please be sure to watch that video because this collection is dripping in 14-karat gold, diamonds, rhinestones. It's simply beautiful. I'll also be sure to include a link to Sandy's website, Decorate Your Life. Also, please feel free to use my discount code Robyn10 to receive a discount off items in her store. For this project, I have created these beautiful pumpkin easel cards. This is part 1 of the projects that I've created for Sandy's In Vogue collection. To make the cards, I used a die set by Crafter's Companion called Pumpkin and Spice. This is a really fun die set collection. These pumpkins are fairly sizable. They measure 4 inches by 5 inches from top to bottom. I'm going to clear off my desktop so that I can review each of them one by one. This is the first pumpkin easel card that I've created. On the upper left side, I've created this beautiful sunflower. Now this is using a die in the Pumpkin Spice die set by Crafter's Companion. It's flanked by these cute little paper curly cues. People ask me, how do I make them? They're simply thin strips of paper and then I wrap them around a pencil. Behind it, I have these golden stamens and this beautiful bow that was included in my design team package. Now front and center behind here is this beautiful pumpkin that's in a black and white plaid. It has this champagne bow on the top and in the center it has a beautiful diamond chain. On the right I have fussy cut another pumpkin and then we have a sentiment that says thankful. When I lift the card up, I have this beautiful filigree metal piece that I'm using as a stopper, and then I've also embellished that with a little pearl here. Now the paper on the bottom is from Sandy's Jane kit. This is black and it has a beautiful scroll detail on the bottom. Can you see that? But here's a close-up of this beautiful flower. I've got a rhinestone pearl in the center. And can you see that bow and this beautiful diamond here? And I love that it's flanked by these beautiful golden leaves. This is the side. In the back I've kept very simple. However, on the bottom I have left a space where you can write a sentiment. Let's take a look at our second card. This is my second card and I think this one might be my favorite. We have this beautiful golden bow on the top, this rhinestone pearl, more of these cute little curly cues. If you look to the right, we have this beautiful brooch, and I have covered that with glossy accents. That's part of Sandy's paper collection. In the back, we have a combination of black and white striped pumpkins and this black and white gingham print pumpkin, which I think is so beautiful. Again, it's flanked by these golden leaves. We've got this beautiful pattern on the bottom, and it says Beautiful Fall. On the bottom, I've used another gold filigree piece that's enhanced by a pearl. And then we have more of this beautiful paper on the bottom. Here you can see this row of pearls, these gingham bows, and in the center, they're little diamond clusters. This is the side. And then again, on the back, we have a place to include a sentiment. Let's take a look at our next card. This is my third card. And on the top, I have another beautiful golden bow, a rhinestone pearl. This card is similar to the first card that I shared with you, where we have a large black and white gingham pumpkin in the background, and then you can see this beautiful diamond pendant in the center here. I have a sentiment here that says falling leaves. Now on the right, I have this beautiful flower here. I've got gold stamens and these cute little curly cues, and if you look on the bottom, I have fussy cut these beautiful rhinestone pumpkins. They are just so beautiful. On the bottom, we have the metal filigree piece, which is a stopper that has a little pearl. And again, look at this beautiful paper. Now it's black and it's muted with a light gray. Can you see that design? Isn't that beautiful? This is my fourth and final pumpkin easel card. On the top, I have this beautiful gold bow. It's flanked with this off-white flower and gold stamens. In the back, you can see this large strand of pearls. The sentiment says harvest. On the bottom, I fussy cut this white and gold pumpkin, which I thought was a beautiful complement to these black pumpkins that are encrusted with gold leaves and diamonds and rhinestones. And then I added a little butterfly here on the top. Now, one thing that I did that was different on this card was that I fussy cut this stopper. This is from a gold frame in the paper collection, and I simply cut out a piece of it, but I thought that was so beautiful. And this is the side and our sentiment area. This concludes part one of my guest design team project that I've created for Sandy Nagel at Decorate Your Life, featuring the In Vogue collection. I love the way these pumpkin easel cards turned out. These would be a lovely card to gift, but also displayed on their coffee table, their desk, or a mantle. Please be sure to visit Sandy's website, decorateyourlife.com, as well as her Etsy store. I will include a link in the description box below. And again, don't forget to use my coupon code Robyn10. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please stay tuned for part two of my guest design team project featuring the In Vogue collection. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.